How can you expect to meet challenging requirements for material storage without an efficient way to measure all kinds of materials? Uneven surfaces, bridging gaps, and the buildup of vapor and foam within containers can all obscure true measurements. But what if you could turn your measurement problem on its head? METTLER Toledo's SLL210 AnyLevel is a new type of level detection system that is simple, safe, and easy to use. A universal, future-ready solution compatible with every storage tank shape and material. Sensors installed below the tank remove the need to climb the tank and enable easy-to-read real-time monitoring of the contents without contacting the materials inside. AnyLevel sensors plug directly into your PLC or DCS via I/O link, HART, or 4 to 20 mA. Advanced condition monitoring indicates system status, while Smart 5 alarms notify you if something goes wrong. This solution is simple to install without the need for expert knowledge and comes with an easy-to-clean design. A unique bottom-up approach minimizes maintenance requirements and enables maximum uptime across your storage facility. Measure any type of material in any type of vessel, simply, safely, and reliably. The universal choice for tank level detection, the SLL210 AnyLevel from METTLER Toledo.